Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11 black screen driver PNP Watchdog error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the drivers and Windows, and how can that be done? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane and select optional updates. Install all the optional updates. Now return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Now this will allow you to update Windows. The last solution is to reset Windows, and how will we do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything. Now select cloud download and perform a cloud reinstall on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.